Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So last week I was going on vacation, so I was going through my camera box to decide what cameras I should take, and I came across my first DJI Osmo Action. So I decided I'm going to do a small clip of how far DJI Action has came from generation 1 to generation 6. So I think this shot in 4K 30. This now can shoot in 8K 60, 8K 30, not 100% sure. So I shot both clips in 4K 30 for night and daytime. So here are the clips of the difference between the old DJI Action 1 and the DJI Action 6.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach.
So if you like the videos of the old versus the new, if you like more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see another particular type of camera, just let me know in the description, and I will try my best to do a video on that. So see you in the next video.